It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Today is the day. Daisy and I are going to apply to open up our first cafe. Mwah! Wish us luck, Figaro.
Daisy, how exciting! We just have to file one more paper and we can open up our house cafe. I know, how exciting! All the paperwork is almost done. Congratulations, Minnie Mouse and Daisy. We have the new deed for your property. You now have permission to build your house cafe. And I hope you invite Nat, Essie, and myself to your cafe once it opens. Congratulations! It's time to hire a contractor. Miss Nat, I heard you can build a wonderful cafe. Oh, goody goody. Miss Nat, where are you?
I am your contractor for today, and I'm going to help them build their cafe. We purchased the pieces, so now we can build the main part of our cafe. We purchased some chairs, some building blocks. We even purchased some lumber to make this building beautiful. Step 1 is to find the foundation. This will be the inside of our cafe. We're going to add the walls and something for them to sell in the store. We can also add our blender so they can make yummy treats. But every good cafe and successful cafe has to have a table where they can sell their items. So let's put the table in the middle and start building our walls. One on this side, one on this side, one in the front, and one right here. I think the walls need to get taller, so let's do it again. One here, one on this side, two in the middle, and add our roof, just like this. Wait a minute. That's just the base of the roof. And Minnie Mouse's bow is now on top.
Daisy, look what we've accomplished in a week's time. Our cafe is almost ready to open. We have some bread and cupcakes and pancake foods too. I know, whoever comes to the cafe sure will love how it looks like. I cannot wait for our first guests to arrive. But I feel like there's something missing. I mean, we've got the cafe part. Ah, you're right, Daisy. We need a little bit more going on. Maybe we can add a nice building to attract our guests. That's definitely what we need.
Hey guys, I'm back. I've got some more lumber so we can finish your cafe and invite all your guests. Just a little bit more and a little bit more. Whoa. And that's about it. Now we can start with the main house of our cafe.
Girl power! Owning our own business and building our own restaurant cafe.
Holy moly! Where do we start with our second building? Well, it is a construction site, so let's move everything off to the side and see what we can start with. There's a base plate here, and that will be our foundation for the new building. I might need a little bit of Essie power to get this moving. It sure would take too long otherwise.
Did somebody say Essie power? Hey Essie, how about we work together and use some magic and building strength to make this project go faster? You got it, Nat. Okay, alakazam! Strength and power!
Whoa, check that out. We got really far, but now it's time to slow down. We need to make the bed and add some personal touches. like this Minnie Mouse and Figaro drawing. At the top, we have Minnie Mouse's sleeping quarters. We've got her bed, a picture of her and her favorite kitten, and a window looking out into the beautiful day. We can open it up and see what's going on.
Oh my goodness! My cafe is ready to open today. I'm so excited. I see Daisy. She's already at the shop getting things ready.
Wow! The finished cafe! This looks amazing! We've got the counter, we've got the house next door with some seating area, and Daisy Duck has already set up the pancake station.
We finally did it. I know. We opened up our first cafe. I got you something special for your first day. Are you ready? Oh, a surprise? Yes. Close your eyes. Daisy, we look perfect. I can't wait for the first guest to arrive. I'm going to head over and water the plants real fast. I'll be right back.
What is that wonderful smell? I think the cafe has finally opened. Mama, you want to go check it out? Oh boy, do I!
I think I see our first guests. Hello. Well, hello. Are you here to try out our cafe? We sure are. Oh, okay. Please take a seat over here. Is there anything we can get for you to make you more comfortable? Would you like some tea, some bread, some cupcakes with your pancakes?
Wow, this place is fancy. I would love some tea and maybe a loaf of bread. Of course. Here's some tea. Watch your fingers, it's very warm. And here's your bread. I hope you enjoy your pancakes, tea, and bread. Wow! Did you make this, Minnie Mouse? We sure did. We've been working hard all morning. We have to tell our friends of this place. It's amazing. Well, thank you for coming in today. Your order is $5. Miss Daisy, what a wonderful cafe you and Minnie Mouse have. Here's the $5 and we'll take these vanilla muffins too back to the kids and see if they like them. Wow, our first customers. Let's clean up this area. I'll take the plate of pancakes to the back and get ready for somebody else to come. Wow, what a successful day at our cafe. Well, it is time for a break. Let's head inside. Our first full day of work. We had 10 customers and made $50. Daisy, we're on the way to success. I think so too. Oh. Good night, everyone. I hope you visit our cafe again soon. And good night, my favorite little kitty cat.